Standard 8 students. You know that I have taught you Unit 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, and I have given you the question answers from all these chapters. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is 3A. So let's start. Now, Standard 8 students, you can see the chapter Unit 3A, Siachen, the place of wild roses. Think of the words loyalty, duty, respect, sacrifice, service. Whose picture comes in front of your eyes? Definitely a soldier. So, definitely a soldier. We should respect them. It is because of a soldier awake somewhere as far as Siachen that we are able to sleep peacefully in our houses. What it is like to be posted at a place with temperatures below as minus 40 degrees Celsius. Read on to find for yourself. So you see, we are going to read the place Siachen, which is for minus 40 degree is the temperature of that place. The name Siachen refers to a land with an abundance of roses. Sia in the Balti language refers to the rose family plant widely found in the region, and Chan refers to anything found in abundance. So here you see Sia, that is the rose family plant, and Chan means abundance. Abundance means more. In spite of the severe climate, the word Siachen ironically means the place of wild roses. It falls from a height of 5,753 meters, that is 18,875 feet above sea level, and is the longest glacier in the Karakoram range of the Trans-Himalayas. It is located just northeast of the point where the line of control between India and Pakistan ends. The term line of control is the line that India and Pakistan have agreed upon for division of Kashmir since 1972. The land on one side is controlled by India and on the other end by Pakistan. So in the first paragraph we have read about the place Siachen, which is 18,875 feet above sea level, and it is the longest glacier in the Karakoram range of the Trans-Himalayas, and it is located just northeast of the point where the line of control between India and Pakistan ends. Both India and Pakistan claim authority over the entire Siachen region. Between 1984 and 1999, frequent fighting took place between India and Pakistan to take control of the region. Siachen Glacier, with all major passes, is currently under the administration of India since 1984 and forms part of the Leh district of Ladakh, while Pakistan controls the region west of Saltoro Ridge. India has also built the world's highest helipad on this glacier at a place called Sonam, which is 21,000 feet above the sea level. In 1984, the India launched Operation Meghdoot, a military operation that gave India control over all the Siachen Glacier, including its tributaries. Under Operation Meghdoot, Indian troops took prior action, and the Kumaon Regiment of the Indian Army as well as the Indian Air Force went into the glacier just a day before Pakistan's operation. Ababil to occupy most of the dominating heights on Saltoro Ridge. So dear students, today is up to this much. In my next video, I will continue of this chapter. So stay with me for the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.